So yeah, that girl's gone.
What girl?
The girl I had in my room last night.
Oh yeah, what did you do? So
Well, I done a bit of... And then you know what we did?
go on.
Well, I stuck my... in her...
So was she good though?
Well, I've had better, but her... was very... Oh, see there.
Ah, it's calm. No splashing! Alright, so did you vote today then, or?
Vote? I don't vote.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, so, what did the doctor say?
Doctor says I've only got about 2 months to live.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's terrible.
I made you this. You want it?
As well. What are you doing?
Boomerang.
No. Cool. Alright, what are you up to?
Oh, just playing a game of poker.
Poker? Didn't even touch her! Hey, can I play or?
Yeah, just take a seat.